Guys, Oscar here from Lake Norman Drone Rental. Today I'm going to bring you guys the quick unboxing, which I'm not going to do the unboxing of the drone. I already have the drone out. I wanted to check it out before you guys saw this, and I was very excited, so I wanted to open the drone and get everything out. So I finally got the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The version that I got is the one that comes with the remote control that has the screen. And I did get the Fly More combo, but the combo is not here yet. So I'm still waiting for the Fly More combo. I did order this drone about a month ago from DJI, straight from DJI, and I just got the drone yesterday. So what do we have in this very tiny box? Very, very tiny. Here's the box. Super tiny. You guys can see that. Well, we get the drone. You guys can see the drone right here. We get the drone. You guys can see that. I'm gonna go ahead and put it over here so you guys can see it. It has the gimbal cover. It has the amazing remote control with the screen. And let me show you guys over here too. Okay. In addition, we get this tiny box right here. And the box has some propellers, USB-C to USB-C, you guys can see that right here, USB-C to USB-C. Okay, we got an extra set of propellers there, and I have screwdriver and paperwork that you can read at your own leisure. Okay, so one more thing that I wanted to do, I have the DJI Mini 2 here, so you guys can see that. Here's the amazing Mini 2. This is an amazing drone and still an amazing drone. You guys can see that I have an ND filter here on this drone. And I will be very honest with you guys. This drone, the DJI Mini 2 and the new Mini 3, the build is very similar, except they're about the same weight, to be honest with you guys. Okay, so this drone, the Mini 2, has been my drone for the past year and a half, 2 years, and I take it everywhere with me. It's very little and it fits in my bag. So you can take it anywhere without any issues. Okay, so this is my quick comparison and unboxing of the drone. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the drone. I'm going to do all the updates. I'm going to fly the drone and bring you guys some good footage. Now, if you guys have any questions, any suggestions, please feel free to comment below. Make sure that you like, subscribe. I greatly appreciate this. This is my hobby. I love drones, and this is a hobby that I got into back about 7 years now, actually, and I've been very pleased with it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will be bringing you guys more footage. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.